Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. So today I wanted to talk to you about styling looks for meetings. So right now I'm in the process of trying to connect with a few people. I've already set up meetings and I'm in the process of actually meeting people, whether it be for networking with peers or networking with execs, higher up execs, or trying to reach out to brands for my creative ventures, especially trying to really take YouTube very seriously. I want to start to link up with other brands to be more creative on that end. As I'm going through this process, you know, you're meeting up with people, you're gonna need something to wear, right? So because I'm doing this right now, I thought it would be a cool video to kind of incorporate here to kind of show you what I would wear for different types of meetings. So I put together a few looks that I'm actually going to wear in the process of different meetings, and they all cater to different types of ventures or different levels. So whether it be a meetup, a coffee meet with my peer, a coffee meet with a higher up exec, a coffee meet with a collaborator, which you want to work with a brand, like they all have their own tier, and I feel like there's specific things that you should kind of incorporate in your wardrobe to be stylish for these meetings. So if you are interested in getting some inspo for meetups, stay tuned. So the first look, I feel like this would be good for something that's more on the creative aspect. Like let's say if I was meeting up with a brand that I want to collaborate with on YouTube, I want to gear more into style when it comes to YouTube. So this would be something that I wore. So I basically, it's kind of casual, but it's elevated enough that you can see that I have a sense of style. So I basically took a basic white collared oversized button up, which I actually got from a thrift shop. It's actually a Brooks Brothers shirt. It was brand new. It was in the men's section. I think I got it for like $8. And then I paired it with also a pair of Zara Denim. It is a little distressed at the bottom, but there's no distressing at the knee or anything like that. It's still kind of business casual enough to kind of pull off. And then just to elevate it, because I am a little extra, I paired it with my chandelier earrings from called Gaia. And then I also, one of my favorite DIY projects that I did a few years back, Prada did a chandelier collection where they had like chandelier shoes. I was trying to see if I can find an actual picture of that collection. They had chandelier shoes, skirts, like full ensemble. Just, it looked like crystal chandelier, and I could not get my hands on those shoes, which I really wanted. I remember Sia Shoes was one of the first people. If you're really into like fashion bloggers, like back in the day, Sia Shoes was one person that had those, and I was like, oh my god, I really wanted those, but I could not get my hands on them. But yeah, so paired it up with these DIY chandelier shoes that I made, and they look very similar to the Prada chandelier shoes. So that was my first look, something for a more creative collab where I can show that I have a sense of style, I'm business professional, and you know, I come to, I come to link up so that we can link up and get this money, okay? So yeah, that was the first look. I really like it because it's casual, but the accessories elevated, so you can see like, oh, she has style. And even if I remove these shoes and the earrings, you could do a pair of loafers, a pair of like little smaller hoops or studs, something like that. So I highly recommend this look for like a creative meeting if you want to elevate it, and if you want to dress it down, do like some Oxfords or loafers or something like that. The next look is also, I would say, for a more creative meetup. I would say like definitely with a brand, anything like style or fashion, I recommend this. So I basically wore this Line by K ensemble. It's basically a top, short sleeve cotton top, and also the matching skirt, and I paired it with a blazer that's Calvin Klein. That's really cute, elevated to make it like less casual but a little bit business. And then I also added my Brother Vellies for mules, which this is very over the top, but this is very me. So if I was going to like any type of creative meetup or networking event or something like that, or like to grab coffee with like, let's say, a fashion editor or something like that, or some type of like creative venture meetup, I would definitely wear this. I would not feel out of place wearing this. I was able to find a dupe for the Botega earrings. I found them on Etsy. They were definitely not the price of the original, so I really like that. Like it gives it like a more, I'm gonna say elevated for the millionth time, but it just takes something that, you know, a boring blazer skirt set, and it kind of like takes it to the next step, right? So matched them up with those gold Dupe earrings, Brother Vellies shoes, and I also think that this is a great conversation starter. Like usually when I'm in my fashion bag, it leads the conversation to start talking about things that you have in common, and it keeps the meeting going. So I highly recommend, if you are a stylish girl, don't be afraid to like show that you are stylish in your meeting. Like it every time I've done it, it has always benefited me in my favor. So that is the second look. Okay, so the third look, I would say this is something more professional. This is something that I would wear for a meeting with, like, let's say an exec, or if you're like almost like an interview, coffee meet, something like that, I would definitely wear this. So I have a Zara dress. It's actually really cute. I got this from Zara years ago, and it's kind of like satin at the bottom, but then at the top it is silk, and it's a two-tone colored dress. So it's like almost a camel color at the bottom, and then everything else at the top is a cotton long sleeve black part of the dress. And then I also paired it with an oversized blazer that is from Uniqlo. I put also a little touch on it. Like I said, we're gonna like elevate the style, so I added my Vivienne Westwood pin on my lapel to kind of elevate it as well. And then I really love these shoes. These shoes are from Topshop. I got these years ago, but they kind of look like Vivienne Westwood a little bit, like something that either Vivienne Westwood or St. Laurent. Kind of gives me that vibe. So I paired it with that to make it look very chic. And of course, you're on a business venture meeting, you want to have like your notepad. I have my kind of folder that I got from my alma mater, Bloomsburg. So I've had that for years, but I just always like to take that so I can jot down any notes. And if you watch my organization, how to say organized video, you know, like, girl, I like to take notes. So I always recommend taking some type of like little notebook or notepad or something like that, or a little folder with you so that you can jot down notes if you need to. Or if, I wouldn't use my phone on a medium, you can, but yeah, that's just how I would do it. But yeah, I love this look. Very cute, and I kept it really simple with the jewelry, because you know I have the pin on my lapel, so I do like some studs or like little jewelry similar. I think this is also what I wore, like a Tiffany's bracelet and something kind of like chill. So I love that look as well. The next look is also for something that's more so less, I wouldn't say creative, but if it's more like a business meeting with an executive, I would do something more like this, like suiting. So this suit I actually found at a thrift shop. I love this suit. It looks like Saint Laurent, like period. And I only paid $25 for this suit. I actually want to take you guys to a few thrift shops that I love, just to kind of show you the vibe of like what I would pick up. So that's a video that I would do in the near future. But yeah, I love this suit. I just paired it with a black shirt underneath, and I also back to those beautiful kind of Vivienne Westwood / Saint Laurent inspired heels that were from Topshop. So I love that. And you see how like you can use some of the same pieces over. I would even say like I could put the Vivienne Westwood pin on this suit as well, but I just wanted to kind of keep it very calm, because this would be something I would go to with a more of a business oriented, like it's a higher up figure that you kind of want to leave a lasting impression with. I also have these earrings in silver, the Botega dupes, so I just paired it with that, so it gave it a little elevation without being too much. So I would lose the earrings if I wanted to do the Vivienne Westwood brooch, but for the most part this looks fine. And of course I have my notebook as well, so if I want to take notes. Okay, so the last look is something that I would do if I'm having a meeting with like one of my peers. So someone that, you know, you're on the same level with, and you just want to kind of go for coffee to kind of, you know, collaborate or just see, you know, how you guys can like work in the near future, or just like even just connect, right? Because you never know, in the near future you might want to work with them, might not be able to work right now, but you know, it's just a good way to meet up for coffee. So this is more very casual. I would do something like just very down to earth sweatpants, some dope sneakers. In this case I wore some H&M sweatpants that I had from years ago. I would match it with my Converses. If you watched my Essence video, they had their private sale. I got these during that sale, and I love these boots. They kind of remind me of Yeezys a little bit, but when you really look at them, they're not Yeezys. So that, also just a regular black tee or a graphic tee would be fine. And I just did like a button up, an oversized button up that I can like throw over top of my short sleeve shirt. I have a baseball cap on, repping my Phillies, and then I also have like a tote bag, which is my Mugler tote bag that was in collaboration with H&M. So yeah, I love this look. It's very chill. It's very much getting coffee to connect. You can dress up even if you wore like jeans, a t-shirt. You could also do heels if you want to. I just would dress very down, because it's just with your peers, so you can kind of like be very relaxed, very chill, with someone that you want to connect with on your level. So that was just some of the looks that I plan on wearing in the next few weeks. I actually have a meeting with someone next week, so I will be wearing one of these outfits. I actually will be wearing one of like the more conservative, elevated look. So like maybe like the dress with the black heels, or if you don't want to wear heels, you, like I said, you could do some Oxfords or some flats, black flats, and with the blazer. So that'll be something that I'll probably wear next week. And then I'm still waiting to hear back from a few other people, so I will be picking one of those out for my next meeting. But yeah, let me know if you guys are meeting up with people. What type of brands do you like to incorporate, or what type of looks do you like to incorporate in your meeting? Let me know which one is your favorite, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Yeah, but please comment, like, and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.